Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Happy Mouse Cursor effect from Happy Addons. In this video, we'll show you how to create engaging and stylish cursor effects that grab your visitor's attention. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure you have Elementor free and Happy Addons free plugins are installed and activated on your site. These are all you need to unlock the power of the Happy Mouse Cursor effect. The Happy Mouse Cursor effect can be applied either page-wide or to specific sections, columns, or widgets. To activate the page-wise cursor effect, open a page in Elementor, go to Page Settings, and enable Happy Mouse Cursor by toggling it on. You'll instantly see a default circle cursor appear. Now, let's explore how to customize this effect. You can even enable Lazy Move. It makes your cursor move a bit slowly, following the mouse pointer. You can also enable the Mix Blend mode to add some dynamic color effects when hovering over elements. Blend color will adjust automatically as you interact with the page. You have the freedom to choose your blend color from the Color section panel to match your design. For styling the cursor on the entire page, you'll have options like background color, box size to control the cursor's width and height, border type, and border radius for shaping the cursor style. These controls allow you to fully customize the look and feel of the mouse cursor. Now, let's move on to adding cursor effects on specific elements. Simply select a section, go to the Happy Mouse Cursor section, and toggle it on. A default effect will be enabled for the cursor. In this panel, you can choose between 5 types of cursor effects. Each type comes with its own set of styling options. Let's first select the text type. You can set your desired text in the cursor text box, which will be displayed on your cursor. You can change the text color, text size, weight, cursor background color, and other settings from the respective options. Next, choose the color type. It will just display a plain color for the cursor. You can change the cursor color. You also have the option to make the cursor blur and change its color. Now, let's check out the icon cursor type. Select the section you want, enable Happy Mouse Cursor, and choose the icon type. Then, select an icon from the icon library. You'll see it's appearing on the cursor. You can change the icon size, icon color, icon border, and more is required. In the same way, select another web section and choose the image cursor. Select an image from the media library. It will instantly appear as the cursor. After that, you can customize its height and width to create a better shape. Plus, you can add a cool 360-degree rotation, delay time, and opacity control, allowing you to create an eye-catching, animated cursor effect. In the same way, select a new section, enable the cursor effect, and choose the video cursor type. Upload any video you want from the media library. It will instantly be displayed on cursor. After selecting your video, you'll have options for object fit, size control, borders, and opacity. This effect is ideal for making your website truly stand out. Thus, keep adding cursor hover effects to all the other sections on your web page. Hope from now on, with the Happy Addons plugin, you can create really stylish and attention-grabbing cursor to your site, enhancing user interaction and design. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.